answered prayers. There's a God who answered prayers. Ask Queen Esther when Haman was boasting, when Haman wanted plotting to kill the Jews. Ask Haman what prayer does when a woman is in the battlefield. Ask Goliath. Ask Goliath what prayer does when David was holding his head. Ask Pharaoh and his army what prayer does when all his armies were swallowed by the Red Sea. Ask Hannah how prayer changed her barren status. Ask the woman with an issue of blood, how prayer took her from that shameful status and changed her life. Ask Paul and Silas what prayer does when they were whipped in their wounds, in their prison.